If you want to see how the rich live, I mean the really, really rich live, keep watching. Oh, and if you didn't know, this is And Then There Was Style. Hello, friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to become part of our family. In today's video, there's one thing to have a movie room or a theater room or a screening room, but let's take a look at luxury home theaters. Now, a home theater is more than just a TV with a really good speaker or sound system. A home theater is going to have a nice screen. The room is going to be fully furnished with all of these beautiful things, everything from the lighting to the chairs. Most things are custom made, but all things are gorgeous. As always, do not forget to check the description box so you can see all type of hand-curated pics just for you if you want to create something similar at your home. So home decor is just one thing that I have just always been obsessed with. And since it is, one thing that I love to do is to go and look at open houses just to see what the new houses are shaping up to be. What new trends are there? What trends are they shying away from? I just like to be in the loop. And one thing that I'm noticing is that a lot of the homes that we are visiting now, especially new homes, new constructions, new builds, are including some sort of screening room. Now, they will always say, oh, this is the theater room. However, I have learned most of these homes just have a screening room. To have a real theater room, these are going to be the homes that we are looking at right now, to have a room specifically for viewing a movie. Like I said, complete with chairs, the lighting. A lot of these rooms are anywhere from $500,000 to $1 million. And a lot of the homes that are featured in today's video actually have some of the same items and equipment used in some of our favorite movie theaters that we may go to include AMC theaters. So this is something that I definitely want to hear from you all on this. Let's say you have a couple of million in the bank. We're not going to say money's not an option or an issue, but you have a couple of million in the bank. Would having a really nice, fully adorned home theater like this in your home, would this be a priority? I think it all depends. For me, I'm not a huge movie watcher, so I feel like devoting $500,000 to a room just specifically for this wouldn't be the best usage of my money. However, I do like to entertain, and since most people like to watch movies, I feel like this would be one of the most widely used rooms in the home. Not to mention if you have one child, several children in your family, I think this is a room that can keep them busy for hours. So comment down below, tell me if you had, let's say, $4 million in the bank, would this be a room that you would add on to your home? Another thing I noticed is that most of the theaters that we looked at actually has the staggered floor. So there is a lower level and a higher level, of course, so everyone has a good vantage point of the screen. In a lot of the screening rooms that you will see in homes that they are calling theater rooms, the floor is just going to be level or maybe have a very slight incline, and that's another way that you can tell the difference. But one thing that I am definitely taking note of is that having this theater room is all about comfort. If you look at the chairs, they aren't all kind of thrown together. Everyone has their own personal space. A lot of the chairs has pillows or throw blankets on. This is definitely a room that you go to relax, spend a couple of hours with your family or friends. This video has taught me that seating and lighting are the two most important things in a theater room. I was so impressed by this room. It actually has a balcony. Tell me that this is not a true Broadway theater. So I thought the theater rooms with no windows or visible light coming in were very dark and dinkish, but the more that I'm looking at my options, I tend to like those a little better. It gives me more of a movie theater vibe. However, I can see how someone would rather have the theater room that has the windows, because if you are not actively watching a movie, it could double as a second or third living room. Theater is giving me soundproof vibes, and I feel like this would be the perfect theater choice if you have teenagers that you just want to throw in a room and lock somewhere and you don't have to hear their noise. This is the theater for you. Will you guys just take a moment to soak in how huge this theater is? I mean, it even has a stage. If you have little ones, they can get on stage and perform for you. So as always, I wanted you to Just take note of this video, comment down below what your favorite room is. If you want to know mine, it is this beauty right here. It just gives me real theater vibes. The screen is huge. I even love the lighting in the ceiling, and I know once the lights turn off, it's almost going to be looking at the nighttime sky, not to mention how comfortable these chairs look. Alright guys, I hope that you have enjoyed that video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who likes videos like these, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to comment if you have a video suggestion below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.